OpenAI has released GPT-5.1-Codex-Max, a major update to its Agentic coding system designed for long-duration development tasks and improved reasoning efficiency. The model was officially launched on 19th of November 2025 and is positioned as OpenAI's new frontier agentic coding model, built on top of the GPT-5.1 architecture. With this release, OpenAI aims to strengthen its capabilities in extended high-complexity software engineering workflows while improving performance across real-world development benchmarks. GPT-5.1-Codex-Max incorporates a new compaction technique that allows the system to prune session history while preserving essential context, enabling work across extremely long sequences and development sessions that exceed 24 hours. This technique is central to the model's ability to handle large coding workloads, where maintaining continuity over long periods is often necessary. The model is designed to support projects involving extensive back-and-forth iterations, deep file structures, and multi-stage reasoning processes that benefit from state continuity. As an upgrade to GPT 5.1 Codex, also known as Codex High, Codex Max delivers measurable improvements across development benchmarks. OpenAI reports that the model demonstrates strong performance gains over its predecessor, and that it also surpasses Google's Gemini 3 Pro in coding tasks. These performance improvements highlight continued advancement in the competitive landscape of AI development tools. One of the key efficiency gains in GPT 5.1 Codex-Max is its reduced token usage. The model uses approximately 30% fewer reasoning tokens than GPT 5.1 Codex on the SWE-Bench Verified benchmark, while delivering faster task execution. This improvement reflects efforts to make the model more resource efficient during extended reasoning cycles. Reduced token consumption directly benefits developers working on large projects, where iterative reasoning across long contexts can significantly increase processing time and cost. Codex Max is also designed to support multi-file projects, a capability confirmed in OpenAI's community documentation. This ensures that the model can work across multiple files within a repository, rather than being limited to single file or isolated snippet execution. Multi-file awareness is essential for real-world engineering tasks, which often involve many interconnected components. By supporting this structure, Codex Max aligns better with typical software development workflows. Beyond multi-file reasoning, Codex Max is compatible with Windows environments, expanding accessibility for developers using Windows-based systems. This broadens the applicability of the model across enterprise, hobbyist, and educational environments where Windows remains the dominant operating system. Windows compatibility is combined with support for Codex workflows through the command line, ensuring that developers who rely on CLI tooling can integrate the new model into existing pipelines. In addition to Windows support, Codex Max integrates directly with both the Codex CLI and OpenAI IDE extensions, ensuring availability across standard developer interfaces. The model became the default option within Codex surfaces at launch, replacing GPT 5.1 Codex as the primary offering for coding tasks. This transition signals OpenAI's confidence in the new model's reliability, efficiency, and performance in extended development scenarios. By designating it as the default, OpenAI aligns its coding ecosystem around Codex Max as the central tool for future development workflows. The compaction technique introduced in Codex Max is notable for enabling the model to operate across millions of effective tokens without storing the entire session verbatim. Instead, the system selectively compresses interaction history while preserving relevant context. This allows Codex Max to maintain continuity and correctness in tasks that require long-term dependency tracking, an essential requirement for sophisticated engineering work, debugging processes, and iterative refinement cycles. Compaction also directly supports the model's ability to run for over 24 hours in continuous workflows, a capability emphasized by OpenAI as a significant step in long-horizon task performance. The release timing of GPT 5.1 Codex-Max comes shortly after the debut of Google's Gemini 3, which attracted significant attention across the industry. While Gemini 3 demonstrated strong performance across multiple benchmarks, coding remained one of the areas where OpenAI sought further improvement. Codex Max was positioned to address this gap by raising performance benchmarks in software development tasks and enhancing the model's capabilities for long-duration sessions. Codex-Max's underlying foundation on GPT-5.1 provides it with the general reasoning improvements of that model family, while layering additional specialization for software engineering, mathematics, and other structured problem-solving tasks. This lineage is explicitly documented in OpenAI's system card materials and helps explain the improved reasoning efficiency and token reduction capabilities compared to its predecessors. The model's immediate availability across the Codex CLI and IDE extensions ensures broad accessibility for users on OpenAI's Plus, Pro, and Enterprise plans. API access is scheduled for release shortly after launch, expanding integration opportunities for developers building custom tools or automated pipelines around the new model. With this combination of accessibility, extended session capability, and improved efficiency, Codex-Max is positioned to serve as a central component of OpenAI's ecosystem for coding assistance. In summary, GPT-5.1-Codex-Max represents a substantial update to OpenAI's coding-focused model family. Its debut on 19 November 2025 introduced a new compaction technique enabling sessions beyond 24 hours. Improved reasoning efficiency reflected in reduced SWE-Bench token usage and enhanced multi-file project support. As the new default agentic coding model in all Codex surfaces, and with compatibility across Windows, CLI, and IDE environments, Codex-Max marks a significant step in OpenAI's efforts to support long-horizon, real-world software engineering tasks with advanced AI systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.